here today at Chamoyz Snack Bar in New Brunswick. We're going to try some of their spicy snacks and their over-the-top, outrageously beautiful sweet treats.
I can't wait to try everything.
Here at Chamoyz Snack Bar, you find the most delicious, craziest shakes you can ever find. We satisfy all of your cravings. There's no judgment here. We decided to bring it here to New Brunswick, knowing that there is a Mexican community here. We come from New Jersey, born and raised. We do travel a lot to California, where you find a lot of authentic Mexican snacks, mangonadas, chamoyadas, nieves. Around here, the other places didn't offer a real authentic Mexican taste with the chamoy sauce and tahini. We also offer our chamoy sauce homemade, which has other different types of flavorings. We have watermelon, we have mango, anything for your liking. Everything comes better with chamoy and tahini. There's no day no customer walks in without a smile, and we are very happy, even if we have one customer, to serve that one mangonada for the customer to always leave with a smile on his face.
My friends are going to be so jealous.